Hello, I'm Sean Berman, Interim Dean of the UNM Anderson School of Management. I want to share with you what the Faculty Community Leadership Award is and who Anderson's 2020 awardee is. First, let me tell you a little bit about the award. The Faculty Community Leadership Award is given to a full-time faculty member who has made contributions to the community through public service and demonstrated research, publishing, teaching, and academic success. After careful consideration of several nominations, I am happy to announce the 2020 honoree is Principal Lecturer of Accounting, Ann Brooks. Ann is a two-time winner of the award, having previously won in 2012. She is only the second person to be a double honoree of this award. Ann's visibility and relationship with the business community, as well as her commitment and service to Anderson students, exemplify leadership. Ann has been an accounting lecturer at the Anderson School since 2012. During her tenure at Anderson, Ann has served as the Director of Online Programs, Chair of the Anderson Scholarship Committee, Assessment Co-Coordinator, Accounting Accreditation Director, Beta Alpha Psi Faculty Advisor, and four-year Chair of the New Mexico Business Articulation. And she was a founding member of UNM's Online Course Advisory Council, or OCAC. As a member of OCAC, Ann helped create a quality rubric to assess the quality of UNM's online courses. Her contributions and collaborations with other online faculty have helped to significantly improve Anderson's online program. Passionate about self-development, one of Ann's most memorable accomplishments at Anderson is her involvement with Beta Alpha Psi, or BAP, a National Scholastic and Professional Financial Information Honor Society. Ann was one of the founding members of Anderson's BAP chapter. Most notably, she helped start the Accounting Tutoring Lab, and since 2003, she has served as the faculty advisor to BAP. In addition to her work at Anderson, Ann has served on the Nusenda Credit Union Board since 2007, where she is currently board chair. At the age of 19, working as a clerk in an engineering firm, and going to school part-time at a community college, a supervisor said something to Ann that had a significant and lasting impact. The only limitations you have are the ones you place on yourself. Ann was raised in the Bronx in a traditional Italian family who thought education for women was wasteful. Inspired by her supervisor's advice, Ann followed her heart and obtained an education. Completing a 4-year degree took 14 years due to working full-time, raising a family, moving from New York to New Mexico, and going to school part-time. But Ann never gave up. She now holds a BBA with an accounting concentration, as well as a Master of Accounting, both from UNM. Ann is a beloved teacher at Anderson with an open door policy. She finds great joy in empowering students to open their hearts and minds to possibilities and making a difference in the lives of the people she encounters. It's an understatement to say that kids are Ann's passion. Throughout her journey, she is proud to have been a foster mom to many. To quote Ann, there are a lot of kids out there who have no one to turn to for support, especially kids who are survivors of abuse, or kids who realize they're gay and are not accepted in their home or communities for who they are. Kids need someone who cares. They need love, compassion, and courage to take care of themselves. I want to leave a path of breadcrumbs for these kids to follow. Ann will retire from UNM in June. She and Dawn plan to relocate to Winston-Salem, North Carolina, where she will continue to teach at Wake Forest University. Please join me in expressing our deepest gratitude and congratulation for one of Anderson's most beloved professors, Ann Brooks, for her significant contributions to the students, business community, and the Anderson School. Ann, we will miss you, and we wish you continued success in North Carolina.